Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready to roast your marshmallows?
We really had a great winter night inside with our skewers on a little fire to roast marshmallows. And we love that we could pick our own color. And some of us chose to sit back farther, and others chose to be up close and personal and use their short stick and lessened it instead of using it longwise. So I love the fact that you have this little bag that you can store them in, and look how long they are. It's the whole length of my arm, and that is really good no matter where you are. And it fits so many things on it. You'll find to be able to use it on anything you want.
So whether you're roasting marshmallows inside or outside, make sure you have the perfect skewer, your color, and the perfect length. We love ours, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.